All right, guys. So I think we made a whole bunch of videos. The people love it. So because the video is much easier than the book to let the people know what we are doing here. But today we are talking something new. Is this a clip? So this clip is the theory is use the mirror neuron theory. So the mirror neuron that's in our brain, especially in the frontal lobe, then in the another area, but mostly in the frontal lobe area. So then we communicate can use on the mirror neuron. So the mirror neuron is the basic function is with the photon, the biophoton. So the biophoton is from the photon. Or because the electron and the photon can exchange energy, can change. Electron can be the photon, photon can be the electron, like our light. The light is from electricity. Electron switch to the photon. So we put it in our roof. Now we can make it the electron. But in the roof, the electron is from the photon, the sunlight. Sunlight is a photon. So the sunlight goes to certain material, they can switch, transfer to the electron. So in the plane is the same thing. The flower, the plant, the tree, then they call it the photon synthesis. So this means the photon can change to the electron. So in our brain, we have the motor neuron. Motor neuron, then they need more is the photon, biophoton. So in our body, we have the DNA, the cell DNA, or the cell itself. They need to charge or storage or repair the DNA is by the biophoton. So how can we put the biophoton? So one, we can use before our clip is use a battery to collect, not to transfer to be the photon. Now we use the mirror. So the mirror can collect the photon inside the mirror also. But you have the photon, but you only go to the skin. So the photon on the skin, then your body absorbs not so much. So when you go under the sun, then your skin color is getting dark color. Mm-hmm. So every summer the people like to go to the beach, whatever. They say, wow, I go to vacation, I go to charge my photon. Yes. Mm-hmm. But you only charge your photon outside the body because your skin absorbs the photon. So how can you direct deeper inside to the organ? Because each organ we need a photon. So cell to cell pass a signal is by the photon, it's not by electron. Electron only trigger the cell to make them have the photon to pass a signal. So in our study is if the photon can go into to your cell, to your DNA, then we can have a lot of benefit from the health. So one way we are using the battery electricity to making the photon. But this in here we are collect the photon from outside. So you collect it from outside, but how can you go to my body? So we are using in here use the lens for observation effect. But on this observation effect, we are not only to the photon. So we are putting a piece is the ceramic. So the ceramic is for the electron. But on the same time, we put a piece of the constant. That is for the graviton. So one we have the electron, graviton, and photon on one device. So on the device, so the basic function is charge your electron, photon, and graviton.
What helps with the transfer from the collection in? That's a tungsten?
Okay. So the light is from outside. So outside already collected. So you need this antenna. This antenna is a magnetic electricity getting a signal from the universe. But we are using a mirror to collect the photon.
So the mirror collects everything. Got it.
Mirror collect everything. But another thing, if your two mirror together, then that is mean that photon can reflect to each other. So they can reflect. Then the size of the particle of the photon getting smaller. But they kind of smaller is endless. Look at the pi, 3.14. Then the pi is now 63 trillion times. But the level still keep going. So because the smaller. So our photon getting smaller. So they kind of smaller, more small on the particle, then more easy to control by our brain. The brain wave can entangle. So when they entangle to your cell, then your cell get charged. So if you have the DNA problem, so the photon can charge to fix the DNA. So, but a lot of people, your DNA born that way. A lot of time, when you grow, the DNA may change. Yeah. Like you under the sun, you go to Africa, anywhere, your DNA may be changed. So, because the environment change, your DNA might change.
If this charges the DNA, it doesn't change it, correct?
No, because we have the trouble, then our DNA will be changed or get the problem. But how can you fix the DNA? The whole world try to use the chemical to change the DNA. I think already on the study, the biophoton fix the DNA and charge the DNA. So why we are not use the study on the biophoton? Why we all time thinking is the chemical? Did that make sense? So yesterday we do the study on this one. Yesterday we studied on the Lou Gehrig disease. Lou Gehrig disease is belong to the motor neuron disease. So how can you heal the motor neuron disease? Then the West try to use all the chemical. But your DNA, your motor neuron, they don't need the chemical. They need is the biophoton. So you can go to Google, check it about the biophoton and DNA, see what is going on. So yesterday I put in the video for the Lou Gehrig, ALS. That is the first time. Then you can see 5 minutes, 10 minutes, half hour, 1 hour, you can see the big change. So that is what we use. Then in the class, we use for the cancer. Cancer is the DNA change. Can we change back the DNA? Can we charge the DNA? Can we charge the cell? So yes, Wednesday you have the pain and the pain too.
Actually, it's the gallbladder I was hurting. I got some ECT yesterday.
Oh, on the gallbladder, but you put in there 10 minutes, the pain is gone, right? So another thing, now we use this one for weight loss. So for the weight loss, they're more confused. How can you use it for the weight loss? because the people cannot burn out the calorie because they may be linked with the pancreas or the cardiac. The cardiac is the esophagus and stomach that connect together. Then on that area I have a sensor. The sensor is to detect how full your stomach or what level on your blood sugar. So okay, we put it on because that is affect the DNA, charge the cell, then your sensor function again. Then your sensor function again, then your body's metabolism change. So we use it on the people the way that they feel a lot of the heat. You put it on, but we put it on the left hand side.
Left side.
Yeah. So how you feel it? You are put it on.
I feel it. It's warm, and then I feel all of the movement.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you put it on.
I feel heat from this.
You feel the heat on there also. So now, how to gain the weight? We put it on the right side. I don't know. No study, but we put,
Use it always on the left side.
yes, yeah, to burn it out more. So today I want the same as the brain tumor. So I say put it in here, then you feel all the energy from the head to the toe. So now we are using more, but we need more study. But so far we have about more than 200 people using it. Only one notebook, no feeling. But another people, all of them have. So on Wednesday, the people have a lower back pain.
Surprising amount of heat I feel.
Yeah, then they put it on the sciatica. Few people, the sciatica pain is gone. So on the class, the people have a toe pain. They put on the toe.
Huh?
Do you remember?
Yes.
Then now more people, they put on the toe. They say, "Oh my God, my toe pain, my foot pain, all gone."
Where should you put it for weight loss?
Yeah, that's it for the weight loss, burning out your mold.
Left side. Left side.
That's
So
why Elliot should wear it on your left side too.
yeah,
Okay.
see what happened. Then you today you put it on the arm,
Yeah.
but I don't know how you feel. Another thing, next study is the color of the collapse, because different color may have different function.
Yeah.
Because the red color is active to burn out more. I don't know, but the blue is to calm the people down,
Yeah.
to charge more also. So
There you go.
interesting.
So there's energy in color, isn't there? It seems like color really is.
So far, we don't want to make the people too active because you need the car.
Yeah.
Fill up the gasoline first, then you can speed up your car. So charge the we call the yin and yang theory. You know, charge the yin energy, then you can use the yang energy. Like not like your charge card, put the money there first, then go to spend the money. Not keep you not spend the money. So that's why we are use the blue. Then later we can use the red.
Should I get more than one color today? Or
No, you don't need. You have enough.
That's
Go home and try.
right. So tell Elliot to wear this here.
You also
Yeah. And then can I put for my bladder? Can I put this over here
together. The best use it to put it on the floor.
on the floor?
The 2-for-A machine put it on the floor. Don't need to touch, but they won't already touch.
So this one, if I put it on the floor,
Yeah,
and it's
far away.
far away,
Yeah,
on a table,
whatever.
but not
Yeah.
not against.
Not
the body.
necessarily to the body, but this put on the
He
body.
always says this relieves her pain. She puts it wherever she has.
But
pain.
now you put the clip, right? So she put the clip, the pain still gone. The people have the toe pain, the knee pain. On Wednesday you are not here 5 o'clock.
No.
2 doctors in the class
No.
from Rhode Island.
Rhode Island.
One is a right side sciatica, one is a left side sciatica on Friday 5 o'clock. Then I say the first time, they don't know what you're doing. I say, can you put the one clip, another one on another side, 10 minutes, the pain gone. So before they run away, before they're going home, each one buy 2 of the clip. I say, hey, now you use in the doctor's office. Now we call it medical equipment, medical device. All right?
What color should Ellie wear?
Don't worry, use the one first. Yeah. Okay.
Thank
So
you.
You will come.